Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. How are you? All of you? All good? Right. Okay. Another day, another dollar. Right. Okay. Let's see who's here. Let me check it. Right. Okay. Hi, Paul. Hi, Nick. Good morning, Steve. Moon Yarding. Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Right, we go 10 minutes. Let's start where we are. Okay, so what we're looking at today. Okay, let's start with the daily. So right, I got rid of all these lines, so you won't get confused, right? Right. Okay, so I'm watching these two levels today, previous day high and a previous day low. We came so close, we didn't sweep it, and then the price, I mean, weekly, we already came to this level, and then we failed to close yesterday. And I'll be watching very closely at the previous week high over here. That's on the daily, basically. So now we again try to go above, but obviously the price is rejecting now. Let's see what happens. 6 hour. Okay, 6 hour. We got this CIC over here. And no fair value gap basically since last week. Obviously we don't have anything, but I'll be watching these equal lows over here as well. So that's my drawn liquidity for this week. Okay, 4 hour. Did we? Okay, we had this very tiny fair value gap 4 hour. We inverted this one. We had a fair value gap here yesterday that is inverted, so it's like the price since yesterday is like up and down and up and down. There's no like clear direction, and it's just a little confused, to be honest with you. So 90 minutes. Look at these 90 minutes. Yeah, that is yesterday's, and then New York session, then Easter session in morning, and now this. So I mean, this is NFP week, and NFP week is always like a bit of this indecisive, very choppy price action. But I'll be, let's see what happens. I mean, we already hit 200 and 250% of yesterday's back-to-back fair value gaps on 90 minutes. Sorry, not this one. And 1 hour, but 400 and 450% is no. So we already hit 90% and 90 on 90 minutes and 1 hour, but 400% is still hanging. So if the price want to go up, so maybe we'll watch you these levels over here. So let me draw these levels. I think 1 hour is something in between over here as well. So still like, just check here, and we can mark levels. Okay, that is a bit below here. So this level, okay. All right, okay. So, from this morning, we have these back-to-back fair value gaps as well on 90 minutes as well. And this is 250% to previous day high, and 400% comes between these two boxes. And let's see, on 90 minutes, we have as well a back-to-back fair value gaps here. That is exactly into this box. So this box is very crucial. If the price want to go up, of course, we're going to keep an eye on this box and the previous day high, and let's see how price unfolds when we open. So far, price just staying in between the range, so not much of a clear direction. Okay, let's mark this one where the price is bouncing off this fair value gap. So okay, and 1 hour I'll be watching this balance price range that we talked about this morning with sync. So these two areas are important for me on this fair value gap and BPR basically. So I'll be watching these two and take a decision based on that, So, but since London, we hardly do anything. I didn't take any trade because I was very clear that I want to take a trade only. If price go break this, invert this, retest and another CISD or a clear displacement, then probably I'll take it to the all-time high, previous day high, or up to these acceleration gaps. And if price is failed over here, then I'll take a short. I'm looking more to the short side today because of all these equal lows over here that we left yesterday, and then we have lots of, obviously I don't think price going to go all the way down there, but we have loads and loads, all these equal, all the liquidity, but yeah, at least for today, maybe, all these liquid lows, if the price starts falling, I think today is the one of those days that you need to be patient and let the price tell you what the price want to do, rather than just running up front, I didn't take trade this morning because I think this is the area when we had streamed this morning, and since then actually we did nothing. Actually, price just did nothing. So what will be nice, I'll be looking for a London ILM. So maybe price go sweep all that up there, and rather than going to previous day and start rejecting from there, then I'll be looking for Asia low or London lows, and if price displace and want to go higher, and then we'll take it from there. But as I said, I'm more looking to the shorts rather than a longs today. Well, let's see, maybe my bias is completely wrong today, but that's absolutely fine, and I'm okay with that. I'm not going to force any trades, so I'll watch the price patiently, and if something clear, nice, and then I'll take it, This inversion, okay, that's fine. Let's say we go another 2 minutes. Okay, who's this? Yes, we go. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, Joel's at 3 o'clock. Yeah, that's true. I think we got news release every single day. This week, tomorrow as well, and then Thursday and Friday, I think, as well. Friday, of course, NFP, Okay, let's. What are you guys thinking? What are you looking for? A long, short? What are your biases for today? And Zach, what are you thinking? Short, long, Sarah, Paul, what are you looking for? I think the ideal play gonna be two. Price open, sweep all that, reverse, price open, dump, sweep all that, and go up. So let's see what happens, Okay, well, we have in 15. This is 90 minutes FVG, right? Okay. Keep it clean. This 15 minutes candle looks nice, but obviously we have to wait till open. This candle looks nice. Still looking short. So of course short. Yeah. I think long. Only one guy is looking for long, and just well, okay, we open, and imagine he's right and we all wrong. The price keep going up and never stops till 31,000. So let's see. First few minutes, let's watch what price does. I don't know. I had a feeling this morning, and I told him the stream as well when Sync was live and all that. But I don't know. I have a feeling that the price it's like an inside day, So the price gonna stay inside the range of previous day's price, So this is a very, very aggressive candle. Come on, create a fair value gap here. I'll be more confident if we go all the way up to London high, sweep all that, and then start dumping. Then it's gonna be like perfect scenario for me. Like, yes, we're leaving a fair value gap. Let's see what happened to this fair value gap here. I've not, because of my back testing, I've noticed so many times the price on initial dump, leaving London high and all that, price always come back, sweeping this and just, sweep all that and then reverse, So it's very, not like full risk trade for me. Sure, okay. Anybody take a trade this morning? Winners, losers, break evens? That's 2 minutes looking. So, I want to take a shower, but I'll wait for maybe a couple more minutes before I take. We got plenty of levels at the downside, but I just want to make sure. Okay, that's one winner, one loser. So break even, high Gomez, nothing here. Took a long. Oh yes, I know. Paul took a long. It was a good winner for Paul. The reason only why I'm not going short yet, I'm still waiting, is after this first fair value gap, we haven't left anything. So, I mean, I just need a bit of more push to downside and see how. I mean, I think I already explained to you guys. I already entered into the second leg rather than the first one. More free trades, yeah, how we enter a giveaway. Yes, yeah. It's very simple. You can find out all the rules on our X, or otherwise it's simple. You have to subscribe to our channel, follow our X, and join the Discord. And then obviously take the screenshots and post into giveaway channel in our Discord. And then end of the day, one of the winner will be announced. The QR code is in the left corner for you to scan and join it. Right, guys, I'm gonna go short and put my stop loss just above the fair value gap. Let's see. Small position, and I'm gonna actually put on the top of the candle sell. Right, okay. I know it'll be a risky trade because we're leaving all the London high and everything, but let's say I'm a half risk. If it doesn't align with your trading setup, do you not go for it? Okay. Come on, dump. Don't go all the way and sweep. I want you to come all the way down to previous day low now. Let's see how 5 minutes looking. Yeah, 5 minutes is, we go CISD on 5 minutes, inverted all this bullish price action. That's what I wanted. So, I mean, trade looks nice. Only my concern was obviously we leaving this, but let's see. I'm into show, guys. And it's gonna be only one trade for me today. That's it. If it works. If not, then fine. Anybody else enter the show, or are you still waiting for? If this candle close below this one, and there's going to be another confirmation for me, so it looks nice for me. I just put here so everybody know what my entry is. My entry, let me see. 4 6 4 7 4 4 7. Right here. This is my trade. I'm the trade in. Smaller risk, enter short on MES. Okay, you love MES. I don't know. I never traded ES. I never traded. I don't know. Actually, I never opened the chart as well. Yeah, I just look for SMTs and all that. Look at bloody YM, man. What the heck? It's always in opposite direction YM. That is so sick. Asia, London, and just everything going probably gonna go to previous day high now. Wow. And look at NQ. ES is only NQ. Look like he's more gonna go up and stop me out. Steven still waiting. Okay, anybody new into the stream? Anybody new? First timer? I don't like this, the way it's just hanging over here. It is what it is. I'm in now, so I'm gonna stick to my plan. No changing. Yes, yeah, come on. Push it. Push, 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 push. If this candle close below here and come down to here, probably I'm gonna move my stop loss to a little bit here, just to, All right, okay, we are about 30 points. Zach, if you are in 5 minis, make sure you book some, bro. Because I'm half risk, if I get a stop off, I mean, I don't mind it. I just enter like 2 micros or you 10 micros, but still a mini, Yeah, just manage it, because the way the price is just hesitating over here, maybe we need a quick flush over here so I can, yeah, it was just waiting for me to say it and start flushing. Come on. TP on MO if it's flushes. MO was monthly open, weekly open, monthly open. Yeah. Nah, this is not something I'm looking for. Nah, so you're going in the wrong direction. You have to go down, not up. By the way, I haven't moved my stop loss. So I was just telling you guys, you if you want to cut down some risk, of course you can move it if we get closer. But my stop loss is just over here on this, just over here. It's looking long to me now, though. We got another 2 minutes for a 15-minute candle closer. Let's see if we get a CISD on 15 minutes. Mm. It's like price want to go to a London high or maybe a previous day high. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop loss now here, just out of this fair value gap, and I will willing to take a long if we break London. Yeah, just over here. Okay, guys, another giveaway. Please, if you do not follow us on X, please do join our free Discord and subscribe to our YouTube channel and put the screenshot in a free giveaway. Sorry about these notifications, alarm. Right, we all cooked, right? Great. Yeah, it is my just outside this fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap. Hi, bro. X followed. Okay. Did you join our Discord, mate? Please do join our Discord as well, and then subscribe to the channel and all the screenshot that you have done it put on giveaway channel. And then end of the day, we'll select and we'll let you know. Come on, stop me out. Looks like so I can take long. Guys, I'm joking. I'm not gonna take a long straight way. I'm gonna wait. As I said, probably this is gonna be last trade for me today because I wasn't really, See, that's the price actually. 5 minutes is still in this. So maybe this accumulation, manipulation, and then you go to distribution. Gonna be nice AMD right here. So there you go. And then you manipulate it over here and the open, and we stock in the manipulation, and then you'll see this thing over here. If it's start going to previous day high, probably I won't take it, but I'll wait how we react at previous day highs. So I'm already in short, but if somebody's not in a trade, there was a nice trade probably from here. We're gonna use in what of 12 minutes. So maybe just waiting for 10 a.m. reversal. 10 a.m. it just grind slowly up, stop us out, and 10 o'clock, and then just reverse. You guys still in, or you got out? Okay, I'm stopped out now on this trade. Okay, -1 hour. Minus actually half hour because I enter only 2 micros, not 4. Now I'll wait what happens here. I'm not in trade anymore. Okay, you are as well. I think if somebody haven't put the stop loss on the top, they're still in. But I think most of us is already out of this trade. Look at this 15 minutes came so aggressively down, and then we didn't get a CISD. I really wanted the 15-minute candle to close below here. I stepped into this BPR and then start reversing from here. So this BPR, nice. This 1 hour candle looks amazing. And if we start closing above these areas and then probably look for previous day high. BE for the day, take a long on gold this morning. Okay. Was a winner, gold. All right. Okay. Good stuff. Probably I'm gonna stop trading on the NFP weeks. My data is so ugly on the NFP weeks. I always caught up in this chop NFP weeks. That's why I always avoid. I mean, wasn't avoiding, but yeah, a little cautious on NFP weeks. Not very great. I think 2 days chop and think today might, if wanna go up, then probably tomorrow and on Thursday we're gonna get some moves to the downside, and then Friday maybe we can NFP day, then we can bounce up again. So because every time I look at these equal lows of the all these, so not that is think the price just want to come down. Previous week low, all that. But maybe I'm completely wrong. So we have inverted this 5 minute fair value gap, we have inverted 1 hour, we inverted mostly this previous price action. So that's when we started the stream, that's why I said, and morning briefing as well. Look at this price action and just look at this price action. And what you notice is if you go on 1 hour or 90 minutes, these are the conditions you should avoid trading. That's what I'm thinking. Like since yesterday, oh, the price is going to go down to the previous week or down, and then up, and then down, then up, and then down. It's like just up and down and up and down. There's nothing. So in this scenario, we get chopped, and then all the gains we accumulated in the days and the weeks, and we just lose all of them in this chop. So I took the trade. Yes, I wasn't very confident, I said, and that's what happened. I was not very confident. The price reacted exactly the same way. So since weekly open, we did nothing actually, So we opened over here, the price, I think, weekly open here somewhere. Here, yeah. So just not much. Came to very close to weekly open, bounce off, and probably start dumping from ILM from here, London high, sweep, and then dump again, and then bounce again. So these conditions are normally avoid. I don't want to trade this because, this kills and just eat my account, Yesterday, I didn't had we had 0.3 R on the stream yesterday, and then I didn't trade. I just waited, and then price went to Asia low again, and then start reversing from there. I just took a small few scalps basically I did yesterday, so it was good. So yesterday again, maybe for the whole week, but let's see. 30-minute candle. I don't even have a 30 minutes on my chart here. Let's see, 30 minutes market. And now look at 30 minutes. What the heck is that? Yeah, I know. Look at this. This candle probably blocked so many accounts over here. It just went down. Who full potted like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, full potted. Their account is gone today, and they must be crying. What the heck we have done? 5 minutes to the news. Let's see what the news brings. But that is ugly as fuck. And look at this price action. What the heck is that? Who want to trade this, man? Come on, tell me. Nah, I better just shut down the lab. I mean, by looking at the price, yeah, I just don't want to do a stream either. So fucking hell, I don't know what I'm gonna do on stream. Looking at this price, but it is what it is. I just call it a day. Shut down like town, flip and go and see, watch some game, go see a friend. I mean, spend time with your family. But at least you're gonna save some mental capital. And mental capital is very, very important in this game. I mean, just looking at this price action, you just so much mental fatigue. You don't have what wick in your chart. That 30 minutes wick, this wick. I mean, you show your NQ. All right, price tapped into this inverted fair value gap and going up. %. I know. It's just like a barcode, printed barcode. What ugly price action, man. See? We have done actually nothing since London. This is the stream we did this morning. What 3 o'clock over here, and the price is exactly the same time since morning. Flipping hell, we just wasted 7-8 hours just looking at this price. This is 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:15. Yes, this is the time, and the price is just exactly there. 5 minutes start looking nice now, so I think the price want to go up here. Inverted, tapped, respected, so maybe a previous day high, but I don't know. I'm not gonna take it, to be honest. I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna skip it. If you guys want to take it, you can take it if it's aligned with your setup, your strategy, but I'm gonna skip it. By looking at the price action, I'm not very keen to just jump into the trades. Yeah. I've noticed that this 1 hour BPR here, this one, Iliada. This one here, yeah. Came down, really nice reaction of it, and then just bounce. But that's the thing. We don't know from which we got so many here, so many bullish footprints, bearish footprints, bullish, bearish, bullish, and then what? I mean, it's the market is not giving very clear direction to you, where the market want to go. Well, till now, it's looked like you want to go to previous day high, but before it wasn't, right? And maybe just reject from London high, sweep it, and then reverse again. So I think I had a one shot for today. I already played that shot, and then I lost that shot. Fair enough, fine. I'm gonna take it. But yes, it looks like a nice long, to be honest. Small risk, not a big risk. We're leaving fair value gap here. If this candle close over here, so maybe if candle close over here, maybe I can give a shot, you know. I mean, I'm not saying I'm gonna give a shot, but if I had a short left, maybe I take this a trade or something like this. What is a 2 minute? This below this order block. You can put your stop somewhere here and just aim to out. Even the previous day high is not enough risk to reward, just 1.2. So, I mean, risk to reward is not great. PA is not great. I mean, all these things. So, why do I need to take all of the trades of my life in a one single day or single week? I don't have to. I'm happy to sit down and chill, There's new day tomorrow, new price tomorrow, new price action tomorrow. So anybody in long, 15-minute OT from swing long to high for a long. Yeah, as I said, Gomez, yeah, it looks like a long to the previous day high, but I'm not going to taking it, as I said. But yeah, if you guys want it, looks like, yeah. I think we have these back-to-back fair value gap in 2 minutes here, and then I think the target is already achieved for them, is it? Yeah, we already had 250% and 400% already here on 2 minutes back-to-back fair value gap. We have 5 minutes back-to-back fair value gap here. Let's mark and see where we targets comes to. Right, okay, exactly here, and previous day high is just about 250%. Yes, that can be achieved, as I said, but I can skip it. Moon yarding, you took a long but out at London High, don't trust the PA. Okay, well, yeah, if you made some hours, then why not, You are the decision maker of your own trade, so whenever you feel it's enough, you can. Anybody else in a long? Who else in a long? Right, okay, I'm looking at the giveaway entries. I go Traders Paradise, and then Osiris, Tomac, Sami. Is it what? Today's all of them? Oh, okay. Gomez, did you put a chart on a chat over here? Kumar, would you take this along for an AG to 2 minutes? First thing, Gomez, can you put these charts in like a VIP channel, please? VIP channel chat, so we can, not in a giveaway entries, please. And by looking at this 2 minutes acceleration gap, you go, what is this line for? You put a one line on second candle. Look like you try to draw a CISD, but it won't be a CISD over there. You're going to be on the top of the candle. So in 2 minutes, this is what you did draw, I think. You took a long from somewhere. Well, that's what you're saying here. When the candle closed over here, from here. So, but the thing is, why you want to take a trade from here? Because there's no inverted fair value gap here. We don't have any CISD over here. I know, I mean, all this accumulation sweep happened, all this, right? And then you left fair value gaps here, except then I don't think so I have anything. So probably I'll wait. I mean, this is from here, I would take a long rather than from here. That's what I was saying. So I wait for this to invert it, this order block, and see the price come back. Give me another sign. Okay, it's respected this for 5 minutes fair value gap. Want to go higher? Only then I can enter into a long in between in these like so that's actually my style. Right, guys, we got a lot of entries for the giveaway. That's fine. I think Singh gonna do the giveaway draw later on when he gonna get a minute. So okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a day because I'm not in trade and I don't like a PE anyways. But yeah, this is a long. I told you guys if you want to, you can take it. This look like a okay to me, okayish to me, but I'm not taking it. I'm gonna save some gains and some mental capital today and a new day tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Any questions, guys? Please, who are new, please make sure follow our X, join our Discord. It's completely free. Nothing you have to pay, and I guarantee you get a lot of alpha, a lot of education, a lot of motivation, mindset, psychology, plenty of things over there. 100%, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for joining the stream, guys. Have a nice day and best of luck for your trading. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Thank you.